Book of Heaven, Volume 12, January 5th, 1921. The true life of the soul done in the divine will is nothing other than the formation of her life in the life of Jesus. Continuing in my usual state, I was praying, and while praying, I intended to enter into the divine will, and so, making all that exists in the divine will my own, as nothing escapes it, past, present, and future, and making myself crown of all, in the name of all I brought my homage before the divine majesty, my love, my satisfaction, etc. Now, my always lovable Jesus, moving in my interior, told me,
"My daughter, the true life of the soul done in my will is nothing other than the formation of her life in mine, giving my own shape to everything she does. I did nothing other than put in flight, in my will, all the acts I did, both internal and external. I put in flight each thought of my mind, and hovering over each thought of creature, as all existed in my will, my thought, hovering over all, made itself as though crown of each human intelligence, and brought to the majesty of the Father the homage, the adoration, the glory, the love, the reparation of each created thought. The same with my gaze, my word, the motion, the step. Now, in order to live life in my will, the soul must give the shape of my mind to hers, that of my gaze, of my word, of my motion to hers. And by doing this, she loses her shape and acquires mine. She does nothing other than give continuous deaths to the human being and continuous life to the divine will. In this way, the soul will be able to complete the life of my will within herself. Otherwise, this prodigy, this shape fully modeled on mine, will never be accomplished completely. It is my will alone, which is eternal and immense, that makes one find everything, past and future med. It reduces to one single point, and in this single point she finds all hearts palpitating, all minds alive, all my operating in act. And the soul, making this will of mine her own, does everything, satisfies for all, loves for all, and does good to all and to each one, as if all were one. Who can ever reach such extent? No virtue, no heroism, not even martyrdom can stand before my will. All remain behind the operating in my will. Therefore be attentive, and let the mission of my will have fulfillment in you."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.